Hey there, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm here with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Let's go. Today's tip is this. It is simple. It is very, very simple. Not always easy, but incredibly simple. Are you ready? Here we go. Make sure you're bringing the best version of you to work today. Question now is, how will you know that you are bringing the best version of work to you today? I'll tell you, it's a couple different things. Number one, you get up a little earlier than normal. That's you conquering the snooze button. That's a victory over you. Best self, best foot forward, right? Okay. Then spend 5 minutes writing down your goals and your dreams. Read from an actual book with pages and everything. Do that for 20 minutes. Study your craft for 20 minutes and get in a 30-minute workout. Avoid all news and all negative social media like the plague. Listen to personal development material on the way to work unless you're in direct sales, which means you listen to closing material in the car. Have a sales meeting with your team and then role play. Do all of this before you get in front of a customer, and you know what just happened? You brought your best self to work today. Do this every single day, day in and day out. The best players in all sports, they warm up before the game. This is your warm up, and for you in sales, every day is game day. That is what is bringing the best version of you to work. That's what that looks like. This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, email david@grantcardone.com or call 310-777-0352 and be great, because nothing else pays.